Hi everyone, we're here in another edition of our Pastime Baller to give our predictions for today's PBA games. Today's October 23rd, 2020. So let's start with our first game. By the way, ang ganda ng predictions natin yesterday, 2-0 tayo doon. So bawi ulit tayo, sana 2-0 din today. Number 1, our first game would be Meralco Bolts going up against NLEX Road Warriors. Meralco Bolts is at 2 wins and 2 losses, while NLEX Road Warriors is at 1 win and 3 loss. Medyo magkaiba ng storya yung kanilang records, obviously. Meralco Bolts is like the epitome of inconsistency, kumbaga. Meralco Bolts lost to Phoenix their first game, then they won against Alaska the next game, then they lost to Barangay Ginebra next game, and then they won again against Magnolia. So panalo. Pero galing sila sa panalo against Magnolia, that overtime win. This is their chance to go back-to-back wins. Ganon din naman sa NLEX. This is their chance to go back-to-back because 1 win pa lang panalo nila. That was the last game that they had, and that was against Northport Batang Pier. Of course, for that game, ang mga tulungan ang nangyari. Tulungan na nangyari for NLEX. Of course, Kiefer Ravena led the way. He was supported by his buddy, kababata, Kevin Alas. Kasi Kinyahan, grabe yung efficiency ni Kinyahan doon. Plus si Porter, nakailang score din yung Porter na yun. You know, he made like a couple of threes and a couple of perimeter shots. And yeah, they're getting a lot of support. Kiefer was getting a lot of support last time. Even from their rookie, Ayon. I'm not sure how to really pronounce it right. But ganda ng scoring nila. And they got their very first win. Now for Meralco, iba naman na naging story nun. Almost talo na sila, less than 2 minutes. But then Travis Jackson caught fire and they were able to force overtime. And then sa overtime, doon nila tinapos yung Magnolia. So, we'll see kung sinong mananalo mamaya. Kung sinong mananalo mamaya, we'll go back-to-back wins. Now, ang prediction ko dito would be Meralco. Why? Let me cite my reasons. But Meralco ang tingin ko. Una, Kiefer's lead. NLEX's leader is Kiefer. And there would be someone who could at least contain. You know, you can't stop Kiefer, but you can at least manage or contain his scoring. Kiefer dun sa Meralco. And who would that be? Chris Newsome. May Chris Newsome, si Norman Black, para kahit paano hindi makapagwala sa scoring si Kiefer. And then I know Kinyahan is doing well, and also Porter, but Meralco also has a lot of bigs. You know, Meralco has Hugnatan, si Tito Reynel, andyan din si Almazan. Although he's not at 100% healthy, his frame plus yung length niya could surely help Meralco in terms of defense. So meron tayong pang stop. If you take a look at Meralco in terms of matchups, merong pang bantay ang Meralco sa mga stars ng NLEX. Now, why am I saying Meralco is ganun aside from that? Aside from meron silang pangbantay sa mga stars ng NLEX, it will be very hard for NLEX to stop Meralco, lalo na merong Aaron Black na nag-iingat. I'm not sure if you watched Meralco's games, pero yung anak ni Coach Norman, ang ganda ng nilalaro. Yung laban nila against Alaska, yung laban nila against Magnolia. If Aaron Black would continue to play that way, I'm sure mas magiging loose si Chris Newsome and magiging less yung stress na Newsome kasi hindi niya na kailangan masyadong umiscore. Lately, Chris Newsome is more into setting up his teammates. Anyway, he would always be a threat, di ba? Pag drumive si Newsome, imposible hindi ka tumulong kung ikaw yung big. Madodouble din siya, and Chris Newsome would always be willing to give up the ball for an extra pass or for a drop pass. Hindi niya napipilit kung hindi naman kailangan. And again, nagkaroon na naman ng isa pang option si Norman Black, and that's his son, Aaron Black, para sa kanyang mga 3-point shooting and even his driving skills. Meron siya mga rookie mistakes, yes, but his efficiency is just high, you know. Ang dami niyang tres, may mga agaw din siya. And not only that, Travis Jackson. I know that was the first time na medyo nag-init si Travis Jackson for this bubble. I'm not really sure kung kaya niyang gawin uli mamaya kasi medyo inconsistent itong Travis Jackson na to. But it could be a start of a good conference for Travis Jackson kasi wala naman sigurong hindi gaganahan doon sa kanyang ginawa na nagpa-OT. And if you're the coach, for sure you will give another chance kay Travis Jackson na ulitin yun mamaya. Ipapasok yan for sure ni Coach Norman. Now, kung yun, parang ang labo, di ba? Sabi ko mananalo Meralco and I'm just citing Aaron Black and Travis Jackson. Not just that. Mga kaibigan, si Baser Amer, napakatangit po ng pinapakita for this conference. But for me, now that he is seeing that his other guards, again, Aaron Black and Travis Jackson and of course Chris Newsome, maganda pinapakita, magiging less na yung kanyang pressure. He could just go out there and just do what he needs to do, just try to set them up, don't force the issues, don't force the drives, don't force the shots kasi alam niyang may iba siyang option. And if you're NLEX, hindi mo na rin kailangan i-double yun pag sa labas kasi pag dinouble mo may madelivering isa. They have a lot of options and they have more options. That I guess that's what I would say for Meralco. And sa bigs, lamang na lamang ang bigs ng Meralco. I know there would be some who would say, how about Jericho Cruz? Who would stop Jericho Cruz to sa NLEX? Nobody can stop Jericho Cruz. Jericho Cruz would always be Jericho Cruz, but again, mas marami ang lalamang sa Meralco. Plus the bench. The bench has been good for Meralco for the past days. Sino yung galing sa Inebra? Hamito. Napakaganda ng pinapakita, simpleng perimeter shootings lang. Meron siyang 8 points, 10 points off the bench. Grabe, ang ganda ng pinakita ng Meralco sa Magnolia na yon. So, if they can just repeat that, and Cliff Hodge and Hugnatan would be consistent, it will be a hell of a game for Meralco, and baka nga malaki pa lamang nito. Not that sure dun sa lamang, pero I'm picking Meralco to win this one. Meralco would go 3 wins and 2 losses, and unfortunately for NLEX, they would drop to 1 win and 4 losses. So, yun lamang po for the first game. Reminder, responsible gaming lang. Huwag tayo masyadong totodo, walang milyunan. Not necessarily millions, but a high amount is a high amount. Alam niyo po yan. Kayo nakakalam ng budget nyo. Entertainment lang po tayo. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please feel free to put some comments if you have some. Kasi di ako makaka-reply kung hindi tayo subscriber. If you have some other questions, you can reach me dun sa Pasay Baller Facebook page. Just make sure to follow that page and then send me message doon, PM nyo dun sa messenger doon. And I will be replying as soon as kaya naman or as soon as I am available. Okay? I'll see you later mamaya dun sa second game. I'll be uploading the video as well. For now, enjoy this one. And again, please endorse Philippine sports, especially Philippine basketball. Peace out. Pasay love. God bless.